We realize that manufacturing, and specifically aerospace and defense manufacturing, is one of the leading industries for us to focus on.
Today is all about manufacturing the future of aerospace and defense.
We have some recent advances, particularly in the area of additive manufacturing, that is helping to improve productivity and efficiency. How can we aid, say, maintenance work at a far or remote location? Can we do this via virtual reality technologies?
There's a lot of misunderstanding about additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is actually manufacturing for, in our case, production, for useful parts. This all sounds so great, so why isn't everyone using it? Well, there's relatively high stakes involved. It's a relatively new technology. We don't have the heritage database. The future of additive really requires a complete digitization of the whole additive workflow. And then cloud computing, crunching all these numbers on the cloud, and using AI for intelligent algorithms making decisions on what to do with this.
Aerojet Rocketdyne is really a merger of another number of companies that have come together over the years. Major customers are NASA, Air Force, especially for the liquid side. The two programs that we're doing that mostly on is the RS-25 engine, which is in the top middle. And there's about 20 pieces on there that we have selected to additively manufacture on that. Just about every astronaut launched off of US soil has been launched on one of our engines. And we're up to about 2,200 launches, almost 900 humans that have been launched into space on the products that we produce.
For us, it's all about software. We deal with lots of different types of inspection devices, and our software drives and queries these devices, and in turn it gives us XYZ coordinate values that we then interpolate and then we apply to the CAD model. Reverse engineering is becoming more popular these days. Up until just a few years ago, NASA was still providing blueprints to the smaller shops to get parts made. Nowadays, we can take those same parts, we could reverse engineer them, create a CAD model. We're not there yet. We don't have the hardware technology. We don't have the computing power to really do it, but we're getting there.
The whole idea is to take simulations for what we're going to build and couple that completely with the inspection,
right,
and digitize the entire workflow.
I would like to be able to use the VR glasses, be able to look at a part, turn the special light on, and in color, see if it's good or bad.
It's time, patience, money, and you need the people that are going to sit there and work through the issues and learn and understand what the machines and the parts are telling you after each build, because each one tells a story.